Stranded out here. It's been hours since I've eaten.
No, it really has.
I'm famished. I'm just looking for a big whale shark, maybe. Something to satisfy my appetite.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're in Oslob this morning. We're going to see some whale sharks. We got quite a large group with us. Very exhausted, very tired. Apparently, if you want to ensure that you can see the whale sharks, you have to get here at like 5. We're here at 6, but they go until noon, so should be all right. But we're pretty excited about seeing whale sharks because they're so cool and so big. And right now we're just getting everything squared away, and then we'll head out into the ocean to see them. So if you're curious, it's about 1,000, bless you. It's about 1,100 pesos if you're a tourist to go snorkel. Bless you again. With the whale sharks. If you're local, it's a little bit cheaper. It's half price. If you want to get in the water and not snorkel, it's still the same price as snorkeling, so just keep that in mind. You can go out on the boat for 600 pesos, which is currently about 11 US dollars or 12 US dollars. So I think we're about ready to go. We paid up and just waiting for a boat, and then we get to see some whale sharks. Go sit through a timeshare seminar real quick. Would you like to buy a timeshare? How good are you in high pressure situations? I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
My name is Marge, and I will be giving you a short orientation regarding the rules and regulations that need to be followed during the whale shark interaction. We are implementing these rules for the protection of the whale sharks.
All right, orientation's done. Basically said, don't be stupid. We're on the move. Oh, they call them out. 6-0. We got a 6-0. I guess the benefit is we all make it on the same boat. Hey, so what's gross here is we got buckets of snorkels that you can grab from. Now, I personally find that really disgusting. I always bring my own stuff, which is really inconvenient, but it beats putting a snorkel piece in your mouth that about 500 people have put in their mouths today. And if you could, you know, it's kind of gross. It smells bad. Ugh, what is that smell? That's our best. For those that can't swim, I imagine they're not happy.
No.
It's been a breathtaking experience so far. No pun intended, breathtaking.
Peaceful morning here in Oslob, Philippines. Just on our way out to hunt Moby Dick. He's been spotted in these waters because they've chummed it with with krill. We're very, very far away from land, and the nearest human in sight is maybe 10 meters. As you can see, there are hundreds of people around us. Now, when I get close to the whale shark, I will ask him or her how pissed off that shark is.
For us invading his territory.
Invading. You see the mouth of the whale shark? That's pretty cool. The funny thing is, if these things really wanted to tip us all over,
Do it. You kill us all.
Hear that? If you're a good swimmer, you can take off your life jacket.
he said so? Yeah. Yes, freedom! I hate wearing life jackets and snorkeling.
It's a fish.
I think my friend. Woo!
Mark, thanks for getting some footage.
Yeah, it's $50. Well, we did it.
Yeah! It was awesome.
So for anyone
Hell yeah.
wondering, because I'm sure a few people will, I don't think that they're netted in. There's sea turtles swimming around.
Yeah.
So there might be an ethical debate here. I don't know, but it's not. It's in my opinion less unethical than a zoo, because a zoo every animal's caged in. I believe these can come and go as they please. It's at least seemed like they can. So
Yeah, I didn't see any nets.
so that in my mind that's not unethical. I'm sure PETA would probably disagree, but it's a pretty interesting experience. We technically paid for a private guide, which was unnecessary. I would not have normally done it. It wasn't my choice, just happened. But just so you know, come straight to the spot. No reason to spend an extra $2 or 100 pesos a person. The guides don't even go with you. So it's ran by the government, so might as well just come straight to the spot. Did you guys have fun? Yeah. You had fun? Woo! Do it again!
If you like what you've seen today, we have some packages.
Make sure to sign up for our whale tool pack. Alright, so we are at Aguinid Falls. So we are at Aguinid Falls, right outside of Oslob.
We just got a tour guide, 2 tour guides.
Are we doing 2?
We got a big group, so I think they want us to have 2 of them, and they're going to take us off into the jungle, and we're going to see some waterfalls today.
Yeah, so I smell like body odor, and just so you know, because you can't smell it with the video, but I smell pretty bad.
Why didn't you put on deodorant before you
I did. Anyways, that is a giant spider right there. I don't know how much of a hike it is, but there's quite a few waterfalls. They say there's 6 levels.
6?
So I think that means 6 waterfalls. So we're on our way out. We're on our way out now, and all right, let's get going. Pretty cool. This is pretty neat. Bro, where you from, bro? Estados Unidos. Not supposed to go to level 2, but it's right here. We're gonna take a quick look at it. Dude, this is insane. Why did we just say level 1? We're going back and telling them.
Ashley's missing out.
I know.
I'm excited.
Climbing up a waterfall. let's get a video in front of it, like all us standing together, and then we'll head back.
There she is, mate. The albino. Ain't she a beer? Oh, ain't she a beer? Ain't she a beer?
Needs its own guide to get through these jungles. Fascinating. Carry on. It no longer knows how to function in its native habitat. Hence the guide.
That was phenomenal. One of the coolest set of waterfalls I've seen in my life. Great, great, great experience. Woo. Wonderful. You got your glasses back.
Yeah.
What a fun day. This is one of the best days for sure in the Philippines. Whale sharks, waterfalls. I was just thinking we could make a themed day and we could call it WWR. Whale sharks, waterfalls, and red horse.
Red horse!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Hey.
Hey, what are you doing? You got some food? I'm getting a coconut. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, so that wraps up our day in Oslob. We really appreciate you guys watching. It was an absolutely fun day. Did you guys think it was a fun day?
Woohoo! Yes, it was awesome.
Pretty good day. Coconut, we got the whales, we got the waterfalls, and what do we got, Sean?
Replacement sandals?
Replacement sandals. Typically the R is
Red horse!
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out some of our other videos from the Philippines, and our next video should be Bohol. So be on the lookout for that. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, see you guys in the next video.